Embark on a path of ingenuity with the introduction of our groundbreaking at 1000 electric tying machine, thoughtfully designed to elevate the work of viticulture and arboriculture experts. A powerful electrical tying marvel, simplifying vine tying like never before. Its adaptability shines through, catering to single or double guillot or gracefully arched vine training. Its lightning-fast tying action, completing the task in under 0.4 seconds. The ingenious design sets tie size adjustments independent of twisting rotations, unlocking a realm of versatility to suit your every need. Crafted for convenience, the battery ensemble offer a seamless vine tying experience. The soft steel wire boasts resilience until harvest, easily dismantled during pruning time. Elevate your viticultural endeavors with the fusion of innovation and expertise, a choice guided by your aspirations. Introducing the WORX Vision Robotic Lawnmower, a solution for effortless lawn care. With its revolutionary intelligent technology, installation is so simple. Just place it on your lawn, press the button, and watch it in action. Vision's advanced neural network ensures precise grass cutting, skillfully navigating obstacles. Thanks to Vision's AI and full HD camera, it registers and processes its environment, promoting a harmonious coexistence with nature and garden objects. WORX Vision's multifunctional prowess shines. It stays within designated areas using RFID tags, granting you full control. Powered by the versatile WORX PowerShare battery, it fuels not only the Vision mower, but also an array of garden tools and power devices. Take on the future of lawn maintenance with WORX Vision, where innovation meets efficiency, simplifying your outdoor tasks like never before. Say goodbye to kitchen waste hassles with our innovative solution that revolutionizes waste management. Experience an astounding 90% volume reduction thanks to our ultra-high temperature sterilization technology and patented blade system that effortlessly smashes trash. It's perfect for families of 3, managing waste from 3 meals a day. Witness the magic of fast pre-composting in just 2 hours with 9 versatile modes catering to different scenarios. From quick mode's rapid pre-composting to ferment mode's fertilizer transformation, we've got it all covered. This sleek design includes a visual double insulated glass cover, ergonomic tilt feature, and a real-time LCD display for tracking progress. Be a part of the entire processing cycle while eliminating kitchen waste odors through powerful deodorization and easy-to-replace carbon packs. Experience rapid plant growth and ultimate protection with our revolutionary sunny Forcing Cloche. Say goodbye to unpredictable weather and pesky pests. This innovative cloche creates a cozy microclimate that fosters growth beneath its cover, powered by the warmth and humidity it retains. Just place it over your seeds or saplings, secure it with the sunny soil anchor, and watch your plants thrive. But that's not all. This cloche comes equipped with an intelligent irrigation system. Rainwater is cleverly collected in built-in recesses, nourishing your plants from below. Excess water? No worries. It drains away, keeping your plants safe and sound. When the skies stay clear, simply water directly using a watering can or hose pipe without even opening the cloche. Embrace adaptable aeration for sunny days and enjoy accelerated growth and early harvesting. Tired of inconsistent water pressure at home? Say hello to Scala 2, the game-changing waterworks system. With its compact design and integrated speed control, Scala 2 ensures perfect water pressure at your taps, no matter the demand. It's a breeze to install in just 3 steps: connect, prime, and plug. Scala 2 comes fully equipped with everything you need for optimal pressure: intelligent controller, speed-controlled drive, tank, sensors, and non-return valves. Plus, it's self-priming, meaning it can even pump water from 8 meters below in under 5 minutes. Worried about pump issues? Don't be. Scala 2's got you covered. It stops automatically in case of dry running, water shortage, or overheating, preventing motor burnout. And that's not all. The automatic reset function ensures hassle-free operation. Upgrade your water pressure game with Grundfos Scala 2 and enjoy a reliable, worry-free water supply every day.